All right, good morning. Happy day 106 of day trading the stock market open in a small cash account. We got some stuff moving here. We got SGN, which is kind of stuck in a range right now, but I want to see if it gets through 350. And if FTFT panic flushes and the opening cross is completed at the open, I want to take that lower band at 222. I am not scared. Anyways, CVM. I just had news that came out about 10 minutes ago. Nice move here. It's a little on the pricier side. We got INKT, expensive. Hollows, expensive. LMFA stock is just looking kind of trash. But then again, FTFT is looking trash too, so I can't really be too biased there. So we'll see what happens. But we're going to start off watching SGN and FTFT. And I'm also streaming Wimbledon on my phone. And that is what's going on today. You know, nothing like being distracted, but it's the Wimbledon semifinals. You know, you got to be watching. We got the American Fritz against Alcaraz. But 30 seconds until we see if FTFT drops off the face. Right here gives us a little some down here. This candle needs to relax right now because that's part of the drop that I was looking for. And here we go. 10 seconds. Come on, FTFT. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me now. You know I'm not going to take that pre-market trade. This could dip to 208. All right, game time. The 220 is out of play now because of that last candle for FTFT, so I'm not going to be taking that anymore. Maybe we take this 200-day moving average, though, for SGN. That didn't get quite there. It's okay. It's all right. It's okay. FTFT got to 224. This is going to bear trap SGN. 325's VWAP. 23, 17. Here we go. Ooh, fake break, SGN. Whoa. Whoa, what's gonna happen here? Which one's gonna give me a dump? SGN's probably has a better chance of bouncing considering FTFT's fallen from. More. Take it. Trying to take it. Why didn't I get failed? What's going on here? Why is my dash not working? Oh my gosh. Alright, well, looks like I lucked out anyways. Halt down's at... Gotta move my clock. What's halt down at? 245. Oh my goodness, what are we gonna do with this today? What are we gonna do with this today? Whoa! Oh, come on. How's it gonna fill me now? This is such trash. Where am I even in at? 283. This is incredible trash. How's he gonna fill me there? That's unbelievable. Yeah, this 200-day moving average is gonna be a problem now. Alright, so I gotta set a max L here. Max L is gonna be over under 73. This is so dumb. Well, that's okay. We're here for it. Oh, small buyer at 77. Give me out. One? How is that one share on a flatten? Somebody explain that to me. I swear. I swear. Can't cancel it. Of course not. Why would we be able to? Alright, my DAS is showing me that I'm out of the trade. TD Ameritrade is showing me that I'm not out of the trade. This is so annoying. Yeah, like what's going on? Like what's going on? How much volume is on this thing? 80. I mean, the opening cross is completed, so it'd be great if you could just get me out. It'd be sweet. That'd be sweet. So I'm just waiting. I mean, what can I do? I'm showing negative $27 in my DAS account. And I still have P&Ls fluctuating over here. So, I don't know. I don't know, dude. I don't know, dude. It's like everyone wants to be part of my band, dude. Lead singer of the band, dude. That was a crazy lag. An absolute crazy lag. Hey, it's a party, it's a party, it's a party. So should I just get on the phone with TD Ameritrade now? I mean, it depends on how big this L ends up actually taking for me. I mean, if it gets me out somewhere here, you know, I don't really care. Whatever. But if it gets wicked, then I'm going to be pissed. And like, how can I even take another trade today? You know what I mean? Like, oh, here it says I got out. It says I got out. It says I got in. It says I got out. Now it says I have floating orders. But it still says I have floating orders and my P&L is still moving. So, what's the deal, yo? What it is, yo, and what's up? Looks like I'm gonna have to trim this window now, but limit filled. It says I have 0 working orders, 1 filled, 1 canceled. So, I mean, I think it'll catch up to itself. Maybe. I don't know. I don't even remember where it was. Was my clock here? I don't even remember. Another day in the stock market. The beauty of this nonsense that we do every day. Yeah, close my shit. This is unreal. This is absolutely unreal that we have to deal with this as traders. When there's days that the market is buzzing and you can't even trade because the orders are all messed up. I got hey, it's a party, it's a party, it's a party. Let's see what else is moving. So I shouldn't have a position open now. Although it says I'm 500 long. I shouldn't have a position now. Opened here, closed here. Although this didn't show up until after I clicked out and into another stock. And then this floating order. Just... It's absolute garbage what we have to deal with on a daily basis, ladies and gentlemen. Absolute garbage. I don't even know. I just don't even know. If I were to take another trade, what's it going to be looking like? Do I even bother, though? For real, for real, for real. Come on, phone. There we go. What it is, yo? And what's up? Yeah, TD Ameritrade's having problems. We have stocks that aren't showing percentages. I mean, I guess I'll just have to keep this up and see what happens to my account. You know what I'm saying? Come on, FT. Come on down. Ooh, good volume there, FT. Another 30 seconds still. So, I get it that this trade would have been red anyways, because I was looking for this 200-day moving average bounce. But, having said that, at least let me be in control of when I can buy and sell. You know? Like, if this is for real, this is going to get super ugly. just in case I need this. Garbage. FTFT doing some business, trying to stand on business over here. We got VWAP at 236. Do I try again? Do you think it's just stock specific? Uh-oh, we got some drama going on over here.
People trying to enjoy the tennis. Yeah, you won't find a higher average age at any sporting event than I've been to. And then here.
Oh.
True. SEC football games.
Somebody in the fans just forgot to hydrate. It's not funny. It's not funny for real, but like, you know, you got athletes playing on the courts, and for the athletes to have to stop because people in the fans don't know how to drink water, I think is crazy. I'm a big stepper. Okay, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Like, I don't know what's going on with this. So both of these happen through DAS. Both of these happen through TD Ameritrade. All right, FTFT. Come on down. You got lower band sitting right on top of a daily level, which is most choice. Excellent. But your EMA might save you here, 250. I wonder if I hit this again, what happens? I think I already did that, didn't I? I cancel all working orders? No. No. Not gonna work. I'm a big step. Uh-oh. Come on. Hey, it's a party, it's a party, it's a party. FTFT looking like it's trying to do some funny business over here. I'm not even lying. Look at that green volume. New minute here. See what happens. Maybe I should do a test. Maybe I should do a test buy on like super small shares. Or maybe I should close out TD Ameritrade and come back. No, it's an idea. That is an idea. Rejected order. Calculated quantity not valid. Calculated quantity of 0 not valid. Okay. Alright, that was the one share that just left. So let's see if this one comes next. Big step up. Oh, God. Hey! Rejected, cannot cancel. Oh, wait. What's going on? What just happened? What is going on, honestly? It says I'm still in this trade. Why? 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 Alright, FT, you gonna come down? Should probably save this. Save this screenshot. Probably take another screenshot now that those floaters are gone. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. It finally picked up on the exit of where I sold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 minutes later. Can you believe that? What absolute trash bag type of trading platform are you, Schwab? Like, I'm all flustered now. I haven't been looking to find other stocks. We have INKT that's halted up several times. Not that I would have traded it anyways because it's way too expensive. But I mean, like, I'm just off my flow here. I'm off my flow. We have FT about to come down to your boy. $208. Need like 210, 208. It's speeding up. It's pretty quick. 30. I should probably have my DAS open to see if my orders are actually going through. Piece of shit stuff. Sorry for any young people who are watching the video today. You guys are all pretty much around my age, though, what I've seen through statistics or whatever it's called. Analytics, I guess is what it's called. All right, we have some of these percentages that finally decided to show up too, so that's good. Maybe TD Ameritrade is fixed. I imagine they probably got a bunch of phone calls because I imagine I'm probably not the only person that happened to. If that happened to you, and you're trading and you were trying to trade SGN, let me know, because I mean that was a long time. You know what? I wonder if this giant dump had something to do with it. 20% move down because the opening cross was completed. I mean, I checked that before. It's all right. Let's regroup. INKT halted up again. You know, all this fun stuff. I'm going to take a short break. I'm back. YHC. Should we try it again? No, I mean, if it's low. No. See how late that populated? I mean, there's something. INKT is up 364% now. This thing is booming. This daily candle is beautiful. The next area is 43.35. Love to see it get through 40. Love to see it. Love to see it. Back again. It's a day full of fun surprises. All right. INKT couldn't get above 40. FTFT, come on. Be the one. ZBA up 42%. Have we seen that one yet? Oh, penny stock. Okay, okay, okay. ABVC. Looking like a possible bear trap. SGN. Looking like POS. Hey, it's a party, it's a party, it's a party. The Shein got the 414, huh? Alright, this might make me do it if it comes down to 223. I'm gonna have to just endure the pain again. If it happens. If we just get flushed on. In a minute. Okay. These are all the people dumping their shares because they couldn't get out of their positions. I'm kidding. I don't know. I don't know that. FTFT. Ooh, a small buyer got eaten pretty aggressively there. What ended up happening with CYM? Gross. Lots of stuff moving today. Lots of stuff moving today. %24 to lower band. FTFT. What you gonna do here? We're gonna get it the 1 minute to make a new low and a dump, or what? 237. I mean, I don't know. Do we try to play FTFT back to VWAP? I mean, it hasn't even been respecting EMA, but nice candle here. Topping tails at 290. You know, we'll see. There's 280. $285, $286, back to $281 on the bid, $277, $79. Maybe it respects EMA now. MACD showing back front side. Buyers just showed up. Small buyers there, 234 for SGN. They weren't big though. There's EMA bounce, FTFT. Nervous about this SGN situation. You know, if I take this, is it going to happen again? EMA. Is it going to break down? Ooh, held the line. Let's go! 2 points from set number 2. Looking for the trade, looking for the trade, looking for the trade. Uh-oh. FTFT speeding up. 3 set points for Fritz. Is the crowd going to go wild for this one? SGN at a stalemate here. Fritz ties it up. Let's go, baby. Wow, INKT now at 423%. Okay. There's a new low for FTFT. Let's see if this thing falls off. Come on, FT, I need you. I need you. If this gets over the 200-day moving average, LMFA, it could be interesting. Speeding up, FT. He's speeding up. Boom, baby. Boom. More. Way more. Way more. I mean, you still need like 12, 15% more. WKHS still trying to do some funny business. VVPR, previous runner. Maybe we try a penny. All right, back again. $44. Dump on it. ZBAI. I feel like today's just been an absolute terrible day for trading for me. I just feel so out of tune, out of whack, out of sync because of that TD Ameritrade situation. I mean, it totally kills your confidence, and I don't know about for anybody else, but trading is a huge confidence game for me. It makes you hesitant. New highs still, INKT. At least this should create some momentum for... Is today Friday? Yeah, that should create some momentum for next week for sure. So although we can't trade INKT, we can ride the coattail of some sympathy plays next week. What's SGN doing? Anything? Hovering in no man's land. Speeding up. Got to be ready. FT. 230. Now we're going to have a problem if it's going to bounce off the daily level or if it's going to flush right to lower band. So I might have to scale into this position. Hey, it's a party, it's a party, it's a party. Is WKHS gonna bear trap again? I mean, how many bear traps has that thing done over the last few days? At least that we've seen a lot. Flying through these tickers looking for something. Those are some gross candles. What are we thinking? What are we thinking? I'm thinking I should just scrape a few pennies off of ZBAI. That's what I'm thinking. Regain some confidence. Speaking of which, look at those buyers that just stepped in. Those buyers get eaten? Yeah. This stock just moved 8% out of nowhere. Hanging out in no man's land, then it just pops 8%. I got a hey, it's a buy. Let's turn some tennis back on. 0-0. Third set. Fritz has the momentum. He must be a trader. He's a day trader for sure. We already know Ross is just eating the stock alive. And KT, and then we're just over here looking to take up some scraps off the floor of some of these others. What are you doing? Alright, what's this even play gonna be? Take 250 now? Take out 250? Maybe? Then you got all these problems at 256. I mean, maybe. Gets above EMA. Oh, ZBIA, what are you doing? You're speeding up. Not doing anything, though. I'd like to test a trade for sure, so I know for a fact what's going to happen on Monday, or at least, you know, at least clear the head to see for a fresh trading day on Monday. It's a real bummer not to... When did I trade? Oh, that was Wednesday. Wednesday was my nice green day. I was going to say I didn't trade yesterday. But I felt like I still had the momentum from Wednesday, which totally got the life sucked out of me on that first trade. But we're not going to talk negative anymore. We're not going to be doing that. We're just going to sit here and wait for something new to pop up. You know why? Because it's a heart of a champion. Need something to make a move though. 250. 250 again. 253. Green at 253. It's gonna hold 250? No. Almost looked like it was gonna hold the line there for FTFT. ZBAI. New lows. New lows in a new minute. Take out that next low. FTFT, new lows in a new minute. BQ, what's going on with BQ, baby? Halted up. You've halted up once, twice, 3 times, 4 times now. 10, 12. A reverse stock split. Okay. How much cheddar can we spend? Not a lot. Got about a minute until BQ opens. Not to be confused with DQ. Could go for some. I could go for some blizzards though. SGN 100% now. Is this gonna go? It would be now. 45. Hidden seller there. BQ still halted. Game time should be like now. Oh, tenor. Got a tenor. Got a tenor halt. SGN is showing potential. But do we really want to do this again? There we got space. Not really. 256 space, but we got 250 now. I was going to say we could see if 250 holds, but we have EMA at, we'd have to be willing to hold it under 244 EMA. party, it's a party, it's a party. FTFT, you need to make a move one way or the other. Don't really care what you do, just make a move. Alright, EMA bounce for SGN. No bounce though, no bounce, no love. No bounce, no love. Signing Day Sports. That's a cool name, though. I'll give them that. Go back to BQ. Got like 2 minutes until this thing opens back up again. Reverse stock split news. These halts have had no pullbacks until the last one. I don't really want to get burned on like the 5th halt. Usually after the 3rd halt it gets kind of dicey. For me at least. I don't know about for you guys, but for me it gets dicey. FTFT looks like it's just dead in the water. I wish it would just flush out. You got red. There we go. There's some movement down. Buyers gave up. Not as far down as I needed it though. Not even close. Alright, BQ. What are you gonna do? Are we gonna risk it? Are we gonna risk it to try to get the biscuit today? I must have been. This stream is way too long. I gotta take another break here soon. You know what I'm saying? I'm only used to being here for like 15 minutes. 233, 234. Okay, BQ. I guess BQ got a 15er now. Because it's now been 10 minutes and 10 minutes has passed. Oh, BQ only has 149,000 shares traded. That's sketch. Very sketched. Then I take that back. I can't be trading BQ. I didn't realize FTFT had this 200-day moving average here. I should add that to my other chart. Alright, what are we doing? We calling it a day or what? We're just gonna tap out. Mercy. You win TD Ameritrade today. Okay. Is this moving at all? No. How much volume? 2.3 milli. Daily candles look decent. Not terrible. SQN back over 100% again. Is it gonna crawl up? What if SGN comes back and just does something crazy and then traps all of these shorts in these shorts? Wouldn't that be a story for the day? Seller 390 on this SLNH stock. All right, back again. No love there in SGN. But let's see if it falls out. Nope. Still gonna play with EMA. 600% now for INKT. Another therapeutics company. I don't know, guys and gals. I don't know. Maybe we just lock it up on $27 L. Barbecue over here still halted down, or still halted up. Hey, it's a party, it's a party, it's a party. What was that? $43, $45. No better way to test it than on a penny stock, right? Won't cost very much. All right, we're gonna get this 5 more minutes and then we're gonna call it a day. $46. I can see if we get back this above VWAP or EMA now. Small buyer one are at 46. I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna test it with, if it gets above EMA, we're gonna try to ride EMA. And that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna be done. Call it a day. Lock it up. Because everybody's trading INKT anyways. 47. $30 seconds until a new minute. And 10 seconds until a new minute. 4, 3, 2, 1. New minute. 47 and 48 here. Ooh, red at 47.5. We're gonna try to wrap. Yes. Oh, okay. It lagged a little bit, but This is it's stressful when things aren't working the way it's supposed to. Max loss is gonna be under EMA. What it is, yo, and what's small buyer 47. This is ridiculous. This is like speeding up to the downside. Dunzo. All right, $30-something L today. That's all for me. Spread love, be good to each other. I'm out of here. Peace. Can't wait to log off today. Later.